Welcome to our tutorial on the best Python HTTP clients. Whether you're building web applications, APIs, or scraping data, choosing the right HTTP client is crucial. Today, we'll explore some of the top HTTP clients in Python and how to use them. Let's dive in. First, let's install the HTTP clients we'll be exploring today. We'll cover 4 most popular ones. Let's start with requests, one of the most popular HTTP clients in Python. We'll perform a simple GET request to retrieve data from a web server. HTTPX is a modern HTTP client for Python that supports synchronous and asynchronous requests. Let's explore its usage. One of the powerful features of HTTPX is its support for asynchronous requests. aiohttp is another powerful asynchronous HTTP client. Don't forget to close the session. urllib3 is a powerful, low-level HTTP client that offers advanced connection pooling and retries. This library also supports request headers and a variety of other features. Python offers a variety of HTTP clients, each with unique features suited for different tasks. Understanding these tools will help you choose the right one for your project. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.